Lipstick can act as a barrier, shielding your lips from external elements such as wind, cold, and pollution. It helps to lock in moisture and prevent dehydration, keeping your lips soft, supple, and kissable. Many lipsticks also contain ingredients that provide additional nourishment and hydration. Lipstick is surely a go-to makeup product for most women, whether it is a quick fix or for a much detailed party look. It can instantly change the face from looking drab to diva, but it also has some skin benefits. Matte Cosmetics is a Canadian beauty brand with a stunning range of pink lipsticks. Be it matte, semi-matte, glossy, or creamy lipsticks, you get everything under one roof. Aparna Thomas, an Indian film actress and model, says, "I love EC's matte lipstick. It is very easy to wear. It doesn't smudge out. You can eat, you can speak, you can kiss, and do whatever you want." Now, without further ado, take a look at our comprehensive list of the best matte pink lipsticks to populate your makeup vanity by vouching for natural, nude, bold, hot, and other pink hues. Colors available, select now. After all, women's love for pink-toned lipsticks needs no introduction, and our list has cult favorite pink lipsticks worth every cent. Worldwide delivery available. Order now today, 50% off free delivery. Thanks for watching. Stay with me, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for most new important updates and share this video.